This is my project. I am going to hit this button. What it's going to do is inside of this face dataset, I have a bunch of images. This is of Jamal. This one is of me. And the rest of these are AI generated, well, not AI, they're models that have been randomly posed with random cameras on their faces. And it's going to look at all of this data and find each face, every single face. So then once I go into toDataset, this is basically what it's going to do. It's going to take those original images, and it will find the face so that I can be able to train the dataset, train the model. So once this is done, I'm going to delete all of these because these are not valid faces. Okay, and then I'm going to move over to mine. Okay, so that one's done. So these ones, while they are valid faces, they are not my face, so I'm going to delete these as well. Okay, and the rest of these I think are good. So then I am going to move on to the next step. So right now we have pre-processed the data, and what we're going to do now is train the data. So this should only take a second. Okay, and these three have popped up. So I'm going to put these into my thumb drive, and I'm going to import them. Replace, replace, replace. Okay, those are now in. I'm going to safely eject. Okay. I am going to put that into, I'm going to put that into here. Okay. So now I'm going to switch over to the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to put each of these that were just created over to the Raspberry Pi. Now the reason why I can't do this on the Raspberry Pi is because it has a limited amount of RAM. It only has a couple gigs. So this would overwhelm that, and okay. Lost connection for a second. Hit overwrite. Okay. So I will close out of that and I will start up the servers. And I will delete. Okay, I don't have any. Okay. So I am now ready to receive requests. I'm going to switch back to the Mac. Gonna hit 1. Okay. And I will get rid of these. So now I will move over to the Mac and I will do the client side. So each of these are different features that I can do. So I can view the live feed. So let's do that. And this shows a live feed of the camera. So that is good. So I can also lock the door. Let's see. Yeah, it's unlocked right now, so I will lock it. There we go. I can also take a picture. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. And I will also record a video. So these videos are 10 seconds long. So give it a second. It will do some stuff. Okay. So I can view that file. So there we go. And I can close out of that. And I can also view the image that we took. There we go. So now I am going to recognize the face. So I'm going to look at the camera. Sometimes these...
Photo.
There we go. So I'm going to look at the camera, and it should recognize that it was me.
Registered user.
Okay. So it says that it was a registered user, and then it unlocked the door. Oops, I must have clicked it twice. So anyways, so that is the project. And yeah.